In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share files with your team in Slack. If you regularly collaborate with coworkers, sharing files in Slack is one of the quickest ways to keep conversations, documents, and updates all in one place. Whether you're sending a report, an image, a presentation, or any other file, the process is simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and start sharing files with confidence. To begin, open the Slack channel or direct message where you want to share your file. Once you're in the right conversation, look near the message box for the plus icon. This is the option Slack uses for adding attachments and other items to your message. Go ahead and click that plus icon to start the upload process. After that, a menu will appear with different options for adding content. From that menu, click on Upload from your computer. This lets you browse the files stored on your device so you can choose exactly what you want to share. When your file window opens, locate the file you need, select it, and let Slack prepare it for upload. Make sure you've chosen the correct file before moving on, especially if you're working with multiple versions of the same document. Before you send the file, take a moment to add a message. This is an important step because it gives your team context. Instead of dropping in a file with no explanation, include a short note that tells people what the file is, why you're sharing it, or what action they need to take next. A simple message can save time and reduce confusion, especially in busy channels where multiple conversations may be happening at once. Once your file is attached and your message is ready, click Send Now. Slack will immediately post the file into the conversation along with your message, making it visible to the people in that channel or direct message. From there, your teammates can open the file, review it, and continue the discussion right where the file was shared. That's all it takes to upload and share a file with your team in Slack. The key is to upload from your computer, include a helpful message, and then send it so everyone has the context they need. With this simple workflow, you can keep communication organized and make collaboration much smoother inside Slack.